What would you like to order? Sliced meat. This one is too big to fit on the plate. Let's change another one. Drumstick. This plate is full. Sliced meat and enoki mushroom skewers.
The other barbecues are also delicious. Would you like to try?
Okay. Let's put ginger on the drumstick to make it more delicious. Turn on the switch and get ready to grill. Oil. Let's add seasonings. Honey. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. The grilling is done. Turn off the heat. Pick a plate you like. Pick a plate you like. It's time to serve the guests. Please try it. How does it taste?
Thank you. The barbecue is delicious.
The new ingredients are here. Check them out.